Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Fortnite server offline error on Epic Game using your PC. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com. If the Fortnite server are down, you will need to wait until Epic fix them. There is nothing you can do except check back later. Now restart the Epic Game Launcher, close the Epic Game app completely, reopen it and try launching Fortnite again. If it's still not starting, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to internet. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection for better stability. You can also run Epic Game as administrator. Right click on your Epic Game Launcher icon. Here you can see an option that says Run as Administrator. This can fix permission issues that prevent the launcher from connecting to servers. And that's it. Check server status, restart your launcher or ensure a stable connection. After this step, most of time this step fixes solve the server offline problem. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.